Today I'm going to show you how you can create a full animated video with a Stickman in just a few clicks. Complete story, consistent character in every scene, smooth animation, and a perfectly consistent voiceover. You have probably noticed that in most voiceover videos, the voice tone changes from scene to scene, which completely ruins the viewing experience. But the process I'm going to show you today will ensure complete character consistency down to the tiniest details, and the voice will remain the same style and tone throughout the entire video, making your video look truly professional and engaging. So let's get started. So to create a video like this, the first thing I'll do is give this prompt to GPT. Basically, the simple purpose of this prompt is to let the AI generate a Stickman story fast, which we can later use to create the video. So first we write the video title so the AI knows what topic the story should be about. For example here, how wars affect normal people, and after that we mention the video length so the AI understands how short or long the video should be and creates the scene accordingly. Then we define the character style so that the same simple stickman character appears in every scene and the video looks consistent. In the instructions, we tell the AI to generate a short description and a short dialogue for each scene so that later it becomes easy to convert those dialogues into a voiceover. We also give some simple rules such as keeping the dialogue short and clear, keeping the same character in every scene, and adding a small message or lesson at the end of the story so the video becomes more engaging. So as you can see, as soon as I enter the prompt, we immediately got a great result here. Now in the second step, we'll need video animation prompts and voice consistency prompts. So for that, I'll give another prompt to GPT. So the purpose of this prompt is to convert the story and scenes we already received into the video generation prompts. Here the AI creates three things for every scene. First is the video generation prompt, which explains what the stickman is doing in that scene, such as walking, pointing at something, or explaining something to the audience. And after that comes the dialogue, which is exactly the same sentence that was written in the story. So the same dialogue can be used for the voiceover. Then there are voice instructions, which tell the AI that the same type of voice should be used throughout the entire video. In this example, we define the voice as a male narrator around 25 years old with a friendly and calm tone and a medium speech pace. We also define the character style so that every scene contains the same simple black stickman and the animation remains in the smooth explainer style. The most important thing is that the same voice instructions are repeated for every scene so the voice stays consistent throughout the video and does not change from scene to scene. So as you can see, I've already received the video prompt, dialogues, and voice instructions for every scene. So now the next step is to generate the videos. So for that, first I need to generate the image for the first scene. So if you want, you can generate the image using the first scene image description from any image generation tool. However, I already have a reference image, so I'll use that to generate the first scene image using Nano Banana. So for that, I'll go to Google Gemini, select Nano Banana, upload my reference image, and add the first scene description. So as you can see, I have generated the image for the first scene using the same reference image. And now I'll simply download it. And now for the next step, I will go to Grok AI. After coming here, first select the Imagine option. Then in the prompt box, upload the image and paste the video prompt, dialogue and voice instructions here. Remember that we need to click on the video option and select whatever aspect ratio we want. As you can see, the video has been generated amazingly and the voice is also great.
Life was normal yesterday.
Now for the next scene, we'll copy the last frame of this scene. So for that, pause the video at the end, right click and select copy video frame, then go back and paste it there. After that, enter the next scene's video prompt, dialogue and voice instructions and generate it. If you notice any problem in the video, you can simply redo it. For example, here there was an issue with the hands. So we redo it and check again. So as you can see, now the result look amazing. So by following the same process, I'll generate all the scenes. And once all the videos are generated, we'll simply download them. These videos were generated earlier, so I'll use them to create the final video. So now let's move on to the final step, which is editing. So I'm using Filmora today. So first, we'll import all the videos and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. And after that, we arrange all the scenes one by one onto the timeline. You can also add background music, subtitles, and transitions if you want, and try to add as much human value as possible so there are no problems with monetization. And that's it. Now we simply export the video and the video is ready. So let's go ahead and watch it.
Life was simple and peaceful. Then the news said, war has started. Suddenly, everything became expensive. Even people far away start feeling the fear. Some people lose everything. Wars start by leaders, but normal people pay the price.
So you saw how easily we can create a complete Stickman animation video with the help of AI. We generated the story using GPT, then converted it into video prompts and voice instructions, and with the help of Grok AI, we created the talking animation videos and finally edited them in Filmora to prepare the final video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you want to watch more AI tools and faceless YouTube tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to watch more related to Stickman content, click on the playlist appearing on the screen where you'll find more interesting and helpful videos on the same topic. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I'll bring more exciting AI tutorials and Stickman videos for you. Until then, take care.